Why do 80% of whiskey lovers choose Black Dog? Let's find out. First up, did you know Black Dog whiskey is a blend of 25 different whiskies? That's right, 25. Secondly, it's aged in both American and European oak barrels. This gives it a unique, rich flavor profile you won't find anywhere else. Fact number 3, Black Dog is named after a fishing fly. Yes, the Black Dog fly, a tribute to the art of angling. Fourth, it was first crafted by Walter Samuel Millard in 1883. That's over 140 years of heritage in every bottle. And finally, Black Dog whiskey is loved worldwide. But did you know it's especially popular in India? It's a favorite for a reason. So next time you pour a glass, remember these cool facts and enjoy the legacy of Black Dog whiskey. Cheers.